Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a Telegram channel. So guys, let's continue into your Telegram app. Now tap on the pencil icon. Tap on new channel. Now enter here the channel name you want. Then you can also add description here if you want, or you can skip it. And guys, you can also add a group picture here if you want, or this is also you can skip it. Now after completing everything, tap on next. And guys, here you can find two channel type. One is public and another is private. So public channel means anyone can join this channel. So if you choose public channel, then you have create a public link here. And the another channel is private channel. And private channel means people can join this channel only with an invite link. Otherwise, they will not. So I am selecting private channel. So after selecting channel, just tap on next. Then now here you can add some people for your channel if you want, or you can also skip it. So I am now going to skip it and then tap on next. So guys, as you can see, the channel has been created. So that's how you can make a Telegram channel very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.